What is up, everybody? Ibrahim Chair here, and let's go. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell notification so you don't miss any of this game-changing content. We're talking about business transformation, people. That's right, the strategies you need to take your business from good to freaking great. Whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned entrepreneur, this video is packed with actionable advice you can use right now to level up your business game. Let's dive in. Listen, the world has gone digital, and if your business hasn't, you're already behind. We're talking websites, e-commerce, social media, the whole 9 yards. Look at Amazon. They've built an empire by embracing the digital landscape. Netflix took down Blockbuster by understanding the power of streaming. This isn't just about selling online, it's about connecting with your customers where they are. Use digital tools to improve your operations, enhance customer experiences, and drive growth. It's not an option, it's a necessity. You need to be thinking about how you can leverage technology to streamline your processes. Can you automate some of your tasks? Can you use data analytics to understand your customers better? The answer is almost always yes. Don't be afraid to experiment with new tools and platforms. The digital landscape is constantly evolving, and you need to be ready to adapt. Look, I get it, change can be scary, but it's also an incredible opportunity. The businesses that are willing to embrace digital transformation are the ones that are going to thrive in the years to come. So, what are you waiting for? Get out there and start exploring. The digital world is your oyster. Listen up, because this is crucial. Your customers are the lifeblood of your business. Without them, you've got nothing. You need to be obsessed with providing an exceptional customer experience. And I mean obsessed. Every decision you make, every interaction you have, should be focused on exceeding your customers' expectations. Look at Apple. They've built a cult-like following by consistently delivering amazing products and providing top-notch customer service. People don't just buy Apple products, they buy into the entire Apple experience. That's the kind of customer loyalty you should be aiming for. So how do you create this customer-centric culture? First, listen to your customers. Really listen. What are their pain points? What are their needs? Use surveys, social media, and direct feedback to get inside their heads. Then use that information to tailor your products, services, and overall experience to meet their needs better than anyone else. Remember, happy customers become loyal customers. And loyal customers are the most valuable asset your business can have. Invest in your customers, and they will invest in you. If you're not innovating, you're falling behind, period. The business world is a constantly evolving landscape, and the only way to stay ahead of the curve is to constantly be pushing the boundaries. You need to foster a culture of innovation within your team. Encourage your employees to think outside the box, to challenge the status quo, and to come up with new and creative ideas. Remember Google's 20% time? They encourage their employees to spend 20% of their time working on passion projects. And that led to some of their most innovative products like Gmail and Google Maps. Now, I'm not saying you need to implement a 20% time policy, but you need to create an environment where creativity and experimentation are not only encouraged, but celebrated. Don't be afraid to try new things, even if they seem crazy at first. Some of the biggest breakthroughs in history came from people who were willing to challenge conventional wisdom. Remember, innovation doesn't have to be about creating something entirely new. It can also be about finding new and better ways to do what you're already doing. So, empower your team to experiment, to learn from their mistakes, and to constantly strive for improvement. That's how you build a culture of innovation that will drive your business forward. Let's talk about efficiency, baby. Time is money, and every minute you waste on inefficient processes is a minute you could be spending on growing your business. Take a hard look at your current operations and identify any bottlenecks or areas where things could be done more efficiently. Are there tasks that could be automated? Are there processes that could be streamlined? Don't be afraid to bring in outside help if needed. Sometimes a fresh perspective can help you identify inefficiencies that you may be blind to. There are tons of great methodologies out there like Lean and Six Sigma that can help you optimize your operations and boost your bottom line. Look at Toyota. They practically invented lean manufacturing, and their focus on efficiency has made them one of the most successful automakers in the world. Remember, streamlining your operations isn't about cutting corners. It's about working smarter, not harder. By eliminating waste and improving efficiency, you can free up time and resources that can be reinvested in growth and innovation. So roll up your sleeves, get your hands dirty, and start streamlining your way to success. Listen, you don't have to go it alone. Strategic partnerships can be incredibly valuable for businesses of all sizes. By teaming up with other businesses that share your values and target audience, you can expand your reach, tap into new markets, and access resources that you wouldn't have on your own. Think about it. Starbucks partnered with PepsiCo to distribute their bottled Frappuccinos, giving them access to Pepsi's massive distribution network. Genius! The key to successful partnerships is finding the right fit. Look for businesses that complement your strengths and fill in your gaps. Make sure your values align and that you have a shared vision for the partnership. And don't be afraid to get creative. There are endless possibilities when it comes to strategic partnerships. Remember, a good partnership is a two-way street. Both parties should benefit from the relationship. So make sure you're bringing something valuable to the table, whether it's your expertise, your audience, or your resources. When done right, strategic partnerships can be a game changer for your business. Let me tell you something. Your employees are your most valuable asset. They're the ones on the front lines, interacting with your customers, building your products, and driving your business forward. You need to invest in their growth and development if you want to see your business succeed. Provide them with the training, resources, and opportunities they need to reach their full potential. Look at LinkedIn. They're all about professional development. They offer tons of courses, workshops, and networking opportunities to help their employees grow their skills and advance their careers. And guess what? Happy, engaged employees are more productive, more creative, and more likely to stick around for the long haul. It's a win-win situation. Investing in your employees doesn't have to be expensive. It can be as simple as providing them with regular feedback, offering opportunities for professional development, or creating a positive and supportive work environment. When you show your employees that you value them, they'll go above and beyond for you. Remember, your business is only as good as the people who work for it. Invest in your team, and they'll pay dividends for years to come. The business world is like a shark tank. If you're not moving forward, you're sinking. You need to be adaptable, agile, and ready to pivot at a moment's notice. The market is constantly changing. Customer preferences are evolving, and new competitors are emerging all the time. If you're not paying attention and adapting to these changes, you're going to get left behind. Remember Blockbuster? They were once the kings of the video rental industry, but they failed to adapt to the rise of streaming and they went extinct. Netflix, on the other hand, embraced the change, pivoted their business model, and became a global entertainment giant. It's a classic example of the importance of adaptability. So how do you stay ahead of the curve? Pay attention to the market, listen to your customers, and be willing to make tough decisions when necessary. Don't be afraid to experiment, to try new things, and to pivot your business model if it's not working. Remember, the only constant is change, and the businesses that are able to adapt will be the ones that thrive in the long run. There you have it, folks. 7 game-changing business transformation tactics that can take your business to the next level. Now, it's time for you to take action. Which of these strategies are you most excited to implement in your own business? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to show some love by liking this video and subscribing to the channel for more awesome business insights. Hit that bell notification so you don't miss out on any future content. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video where we'll be diving deep into the power of personal branding.